In today's video, we're going to be showing you the new Color PPF lineup from Gyeon. This fills a gap in the market, so now you can get Protect Plus protection on your paint, but you can also change your car's color while doing so.
Interesting fact around Gyeon is that the PPF lineup, so the transparent PPF, has been in the market for 3-4 years, probably.
Yeah, so it's time tested for sure now.
Yeah, and actually this is our entry point for the color lineup as well. There are 109 different colors. There are sample books where you can look into different colors. We do have the same document digitally as well. You can look into the description of the video in order to find the PDF. And yeah, so in a nutshell, as thick as Gyeon Protect Plus, 5 years warranty from Gyeon. What's the thickness?
190 microns.
Yay! Nice.
Yes. Estonian customers can come here, look at the samples, compare next to the car if you want to.
Baltic different resellers who have shown interest towards us, and they may already have the same booklets.
We already have the first orders made for this Color PPF, so we're eager to see how it looks like, and it will end up on some of our cars as well. One cool thing about it is the shipping. It's quite quick, so unlike the other products, this is the one thing we don't keep in full stock all the time.
But at the same time, shipping towards us is ballpark a week, which makes it very convenient. Meanwhile, on that week, you can actually book your time for the installer already, and I guarantee the delays are longer getting an installer rather than waiting for the PPF to arrive. So it's convenient and it works.
So if you're interested in PPF in your car at all, the next steps for you would be to contact us. There's a link in the description, or if you just want to, you can email us info@autojoy.ee. What we need to know from you is the car make and model that you have. This helps us use Gyeon software to find out the surface area of your car, and we would need to know if you have like a special roof, maybe it's panoramic, maybe it is carbon. So in those cases you might not want to PPF that, and it will mean less material used for you, and the quote being that much cheaper, right?
We do have partners here in Estonia in order to help you out with the installation as well.
I think just to add to that, if you're ordering from a different country, you will have Gyeon installers in your country as well. We can also help you get connected, but the Gyeon site will have a search for that.
Exactly. So given the very broad range of different colors Gyeon PPF is introducing, it will be a very hard decision to find the right color. So let me show you a bit.
Some of these have a cool color shift feature as well. Some of them are very nice metallics, and they're all really glossy, except of course for the satin and matte finishes. So this is the one I picked for my car. It's called Royal Green. Just a classic green metallic. We hope this video inspired you to look into Color PPF. Reach out if you need anything, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Take care.